Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the original, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposters or commentators. Sorry about my hair. But this is Mobile Burgh Unboxing. Today we have two items. I opened this one up to make sure it wasn't a snake or something. And this is from Nike.com. And this is what I ordered with the Nike gift card, and it looked very odd because it didn't say anything. And you hold that, just hold on the left edge. Okay. All right. And here are, I don't know about these. They don't look exactly big. Here are the Steelers sweats. And these feel really weird. They don't feel like wool. I don't know what they're made of. It says standard fit. And it's got the Nike swoosh symbol. And maybe somewhere here they got Pittsburgh Steelers. I don't know. Look at this weird weave. They're the Steelers. I see no Steelers on this. There we go. Hold that down so people can see, please. And don't go, ooh. And there's the Steelers. So I'll try these on when I get home. All right, that's it for this one with the uncooperative Kathy. Say hello, Kathy. Say hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy.
See what I got to put up with. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Bye-bye for now.